damn some fucking shit, man. God
What?
damn. Can I get some peace? God damn.
Screeter, I'm trying to dry my damn panties.
What the fuck is you got panties over me for?
Cause the dryer had a
Nisha.
load still drying, and I need see.
This some type of goddamn spell.
This is not no voodoo.
This is drawers hanging over me, goddamn me while I'm goddamn sleep.
Boy, this ain't no damn
Get
spell.
that shit out the fucking ceiling. Goddamn.
No, it's almost done. They still damp a little.
Them motherfucker probably got mildew.
Bitch,
Nisha.
please.
God goddamn, I'm so fucking tired of this.
If they wet still, they might do get mildew. So let me.
You know what? No motherfucking way.
Stop! The ceiling fan already damn fucked up. You gonna break it. Stop. The bras hanging on by a thread.
Shit broke.
Give my shit. Give my shit.